Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is some surprise mail incoming rack from Cathy's 1103 on Instagram. Thank you, Cathy. Sorry it took so long. She made like a little spring package. Here's her card. Look how cute, handmade and everything. Read this real quick. Thanks, girly. And you and everybody, I promise, a craft room tour is in the works. And we'll be up in the next couple months, just depending when I finish organizing. Okay, so this is a cute idea. She put some little shred in just like a basket, not a basket, a bag, and then that's how you decorate it. That's a great idea. How cute, this little crepe paper, and then she used that trim from AliExpress that is absolutely gorgeous. Some gold foil leaves, a little applique, happy little moments that she embossed on there. So cute, girly. This one in here. Cute little memory decks, and yay, I have no memory deck size. Ooh, her stuff's on the back. Let me turn it around. Look at this cute little spring theme. She's got the little bunny, little Easter egg. Again, she's embossed happy spring on there. Cute little flowers layered up on some almost like some gauze style trim. And then she has some information, information on the back, her address. So cute. Why am I out of breath? Oh, look how cute. Aw, so that's a cute way. So she sent me some of that AliExpress trim in an Easter egg. How cute is that? I'll have to oh, now I can't shut it. Definitely gonna put that on my little spool. And then, girl, what did you make? Okay, it's like wrapped up all. Oh, so it's one of those. Oh, look how cute. Let me move this box out of the way. So it's the little Dollar Tree clear containers with the lids, and she's altered it. Look at this. Look at all the detail on here. The little egg, the little bunny girl on here. She's got like that little grass. I don't know what the name of that grass is called. Little tool peeping out that looks like leaves. That's such a great idea. Watch. Can you guys? My end frame. Let me zoom in. See the little detailing everywhere. Spring. This is all glittered and stamped, I think, or maybe she colored. I don't know, Cathy, you'll have to tell me. Okay. And then here's the goods. So she put, oh my gosh, look how cute. I've been meaning to make some of these and I haven't got around to it. Look how cute. So the little charm, little beads and tassels. I know Tamika did a tutorial on this. Look how cute these are. Now I have some without having to make any. Cute little bow charm right here. Look how adorable these are. These are so cute. Okay, and then in this one, look at this. Oh, it's like a foam. It's like a foam style egg, but she made it like a little chain charm piece. It's got the little applique and tulle in the background. So cute. Those little Hobby Lobby bunnies. Oh, wow. And then look at these rosettes. She's got little wood chips in there that are shaped like hearts, but they have the little smiley face on them. Gosh, here we go. Like a little embellishment box, you guys. Look at these little rosettes. Is that glitterific stuff? Look at that. I still haven't used it yet. So cute. Put those back in there. Thank you, girly. Okay, I'm like, where's the lid? I forgot that it was all embellished and fancy. Okay, next. Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh, please tell me this. Yes. Girl, my husband, literally, we were watching TV last night and we were raiding our house like crackheads looking for chocolate. We didn't have any sweets in the house, which is a good thing. But now look at this. We were craving it. So this will be eaten tonight. How hilarious. I'm going to surprise him with it. Chocolate eggs we can eat on the couch. Thank you, girly. That's so funny. Then she's included cute little, those Whack-A-Packs. And one's green, one's pink. Perfect. My daughter and my son, they will love these. I remember when Anne first sent me one of those, I was like, what is this, a fart in a bag? I was dying laughing because I didn't know. Okay, next is this, oh, what's this? Okay, look at this. Look at these cute Easter eggs too. Look how cute this trim is. So it's like white felt with gold lining all on it. I have never seen anything like this. This is so cute. Super cute bunny trim. Adorable. Thank you so much, girly. Totally didn't have to send any of this, and you sent spring in a box. I absolutely love it. Thank you so much for thinking of me. And I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye, guys. Thank you, Cathy.